everyone, and welcome to More to Explore. I'm Miss Natasha, and today we are going to be making our own puzzle. Okay, what is in your kit is paint, a piece of paper, blue paper, and we have a paintbrush. Now what's not in your kit is scissors, a plate for mixing colors, a cup with warm water, so you can clean your paintbrush and change out the colors, and then tissues or paper towels. So go ahead and grab those items. So the first step is painting your picture. So what do you want your puzzle to be? A horse, rainbow, alligator, T-Rex, whatever it is, go ahead and paint that picture. Okay, so this is what I have for my puzzle. I have a tree, I have some flowers, a pot of gold, a rainbow, clouds, cottage, and rolling hills. And I'm sure you painted something absolutely beautiful for your puzzle as well. Now, the next step is to let it dry. See how it's wet here? The rest of it's also wet. So before we cut out and design the rest of our puzzle, let your painting dry. Very important. Okay, once your painting has dried, you may notice it's a little crinkled, and that's from the water. So what we're going to do is, now that it's dried, we're going to place a really heavy item on top so it's flat completely. Otherwise, it will be difficult to make and put together your puzzle. Okay, so I have my heavy books with me that I'm going to lay on top of my puzzle so we can make it flat again. So go ahead and lay your heavy books or heavy items on your painting. And we're going to leave that for about an hour. And you will come and check on it, and then we'll create. Okay, now we're going to take our heavy items off, and your painting should be, for the most part, flat. Okay, now the next part's fun. You're going to design your puzzle. You're going to choose whether you want to do a traditional design for your pieces, or you can do a modern design. And we're going to do that on the back of our painting. So flip it over and we'll get started. Okay, so here are two designs you can choose from to give you an idea, the traditional or the modern. Or you can do any shapes you would like to do. But for me, I think I'm going to go for the traditional. So go ahead and draw the different pieces of your puzzle. Next step, you're going to cut out your pieces. Once you're done cutting up all of your pieces, try mixing up your pieces and putting your puzzle back together again. Once you've done that, see if you can mix up the pieces and challenge someone at home to do it as well. If you'd like to make a puzzle that's even more difficult, you can always make a puzzle with smaller pieces. So next time, try that. All right, friends, now that you have your puzzle, you can go ahead and take all the pieces and put it in the Ziploc bag that came in your kit. It originally held all of your paints. But now, you can put your puzzle in here. You can give it to a relative and challenge them to put it back together, or somebody in your home, or a guardian, whoever you'd like, and go ahead and challenge them and see if they can do it.
Did you know puzzles are believed to help strengthen visual acuity, build short-term memory, develop problem-solving skills, increase fine motor skills, and even be therapeutic?